So in today's video we are now just going to understand what are the possibilities. Okay, in the current news, as you can clearly see here in the right hand side, near price approaches breakout, potential 30% rally ahead. Now it is showing that 30% rally ahead. This is the analysis by the technical experts, and we are considering their expertise as well in this video. Now with this that expertise, if we consider, we can come back to here and see the Fibonacci retracement and then check how far it can go from current price. So let's see. This is the current, almost current price over here, and this is the level. Now the next level of target, if it is going up, that is important, that if it is going up, the next target is around this level, which is 1.618 or $10.97, which is actually above than our previous prediction. So this will be the maximum it can go. Okay, so how much percentage we can still possibly earn from this is from this point to this point, which is approximately showing 42% or 42% it is showing, but definitely it can be less only. It can go up to like 40% or something like that. So they are saying for 30%, maybe from this point to this point they are saying 30%, which is our targeted level from the previous analysis as well. So yes, there is a possibility that it can go up from this point and up to this level, which is our previous targeted price. But here are few factors you need to consider, which I am going to show you, which is also very important for us. Now the area of interest for us is basically this zone, and similarly for this zone. So now in the previous cycle, first we understand from the previous cycle. In the previous cycle, all time high is somewhere here or somewhere here. This is the level and this is the second level, and after that, this after completing from this point to this point, this was the level, this was the level, and for this level, as you can clearly see, this is actually below than these two levels. So below than these two levels, that is important for us because it is already followed many repetitions in many places. So similarly to this U-shaped repetition, it is already followed this one over here, as you can clearly see this one. So I am now highlighting it. So this is the one which is I am saying, and as I have showed you here, that the second point, second maximum over here in the second upper side will be lower with respect to the previous high. So similarly this will be lower with respect to the previous high, as it is showing over here. So now there are clearly some chances of going not going above than this. Okay, there are good chances that it cannot go above than this, as we predicted the repetition of cycle, and cycle after this point or this zone, it followed this long downtrend. So this is the current scenario over here, and this is very important for us because in the previous cycle, from this point to this point, it followed the downtrend, and there is a good chance that in this cycle also it follows the downtrends. And if it is following the downtrend, and if you have invested or you are going to invest in current situation, I think probably we can lose our money because it will follow the downtrend, or we are calling it whale trend. So if it is whale trend and if it is going down, then definitely you will lose the money. So probability of going down is more higher compared to the probability of going up, though the people are predicting the price which can go higher in the potential, like higher like 30% from this price, or they are expecting the price can go up to this level, which is we were also predicting when we started the prediction of this cryptocurrency. So yes, there is a possibility, but I think as the cycle it is showing, there is a chance that it can go down. So please be cautious about it before investing in it, and consider the fact that in the previous cycle it follows the strong downtrend over here. See, consider this fact over here. So it follows the strong downtrend. So this is very risky for us if we invest, and if it is follow the strong downtrend, it would be a loss for us, and we will not recover from this loss, and it will lose a lot of money, a lot of amount. And what are the percentage in terms of percentage of loss? I think we will lose approximately 50%. Yes, 50% of our money, which is too high. So if you want to enter in this scenario, do set your stop loss. Okay, do set your stop loss, and stop loss should be around this level, which is approximately, if we zooming in, which is approximately will be from this point to this level here, somewhere here. So 15% you can say. 15% is also very high, so you can set a stop loss of approximately from this level to this level 10%. So 10% stop loss is fine. So you set the stop loss of 10% with the return of this 30% upside, which is making the risk to reward ratio 1:3. So 1:3 is fine, risk to reward ratio, and then you can have a good potential over here to earn if it is going up. And but yes, be cautious about it. Do set the stop loss. Do not blindly put your money. This is Cryptosarthi to reduce risk. Thanks for watching.